This is feedback for Fatima A on her IC1. Generally, I think you did pretty good. Here's a couple things to work on. In the intro, you want to use the language of an intro. So when you're saying like first example, second example, that's the language of the body paragraph. So in the intro, you usually talk about like general statements like people believe, they think, in the world today, something like that. Okay. And what I'm saying here is you're giving your opinion too soon. The intro is not, you don't have your opinion in the intro. That's something for the conclusion. And you're just saying like children are wasting their time. So like instead of saying wasting their time, just give facts like how many kids are using the internet or technology and what are they doing with it. And again here, this is many bad effects of that. Like that's too early. This sounds like your thesis. It should be here where your thesis should be, right? Again, you have a little disconnect here. Make sure you put a sentence in between the thesis and the background information. Body paragraphs, they're pretty good. You have WW here, wrong word. So you have to find the right word and put that in there. Here, you're missing a subject here. Wrong word, wrong word. And then finally, in your conclusion, major problem, make sure you restate your thesis. All right, you go straight to your suggestion, but you need to restate your thesis. Take your thesis and say it backwards. Okay, make those changes, upload it into port 1, week 9.